Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn off Google Assistant on Android. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do to turn off Google Assistant on your Android phone is go ahead and search for Google. So you need to open the Google app. Once opened, locate and click on your profile picture at the top right. Then click on Settings. On Settings, locate and click on Google Assistant. Now, you want to scroll down Google Assistant and then locate and click on General. Then you should say Google Assistant Enable. To turn it off, just toggle this off. Then spot that says Turn off Google Assistant. Go ahead and click on Turn off, and then you are good. Alternatively, if you don't want to go through this process, you can just go to your Android phone settings. And then on the settings page, you want to scroll down until you get to Google. So click on Google Services. Underneath Google Services, you want to click on All Services. Once you click on that, then scroll down the page. So just keep scrolling until you see Search, Assistant and Voice. Click on it. And here, if you see Google Assistant, click on it. You want to repeat the same process by clicking on General. And under General, if Google Assistant is turned on, then go ahead and turn it off. And that's it. If you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.